Hey, what's up? It's Jason Brown here, and I wanted to go over some stock market course reviews for the Foundations of Stock Trading course, which can be found at www.powerstocktrades.com. I want to look at some of the reviews from the private Facebook group. When you purchase the course, you also get access to a private Facebook group full of traders that are sharing knowledge, sharing information, and of course, I'm in there jumping in from time to time, answering questions, sharing some input as well. And as you can see, one of the traders' comments from taking the course was, following the course advice, I sold my position yesterday for a little profit. Today, the stock is down 10%. And you can see right here in this section, he said, "Thank you, Jason. I could have learned that the hard way." So I'm just really excited to know that we were able to help him jump out of a trade early by following the rules taught in the course and be able to lock in at 10% before the stock sold off. Now, let's take a look at another testimonial here. So in this one, this gentleman said, "Based on the techniques that you have introduced me to, I placed my first option trade and sold it for about 100% return. Nothing beats knowledge." And I couldn't agree more. The knowledge that you're going to get from this course is way better than having someone else tell you how to invest or trade, but having an idea of how the stock market works for yourself is an invaluable experience and invaluable when it comes to that type of knowledge. And that's what you're going to get in this course. The other one is, you can post charts and you can get feedback from the group. You can see here that this gentleman posted his stock chart in there. You can see the group kind of commented on it, talked about the support and the resistance level, and gave some feedback. So if you're looking for a place where you can network with other traders, get some feedback, figure out what's going on, and traders who went through the course like you, this is the place for you. We have a private Facebook group for those who've gone through the course. So take a look at this testimonial right here. You can see this gentleman said, "Thanks for everything and the time you spent to help others learn to trade." And so, we really are passionate about helping people learn the stock market, taking people who know nothing about it, who thought this was a complicated subject, thought it was only for rich people, thought it was only for people who were smart or went to some type of Ivy League school. Couldn't be further for the truth. We broke it down in this course to really give you a solid foundation of what it takes to trade in the stock market. Now, I'm not going to guarantee, you won't have anything else to learn. But what I am saying is, in this course, and you can tell from the testimonials, you get a solid foundation. You get a support group that you can network with and post charts and get some feedback. And there are individuals getting some results that have taken the course that are seeing some pretty decent profits. And it's not because of anything else other than the knowledge and the application of the things that they learned in the course. So if you're looking to learn how to trade, you want to be part of a team, part of a private Facebook community where you can post, get feedback, and learn a solid foundation of stock trading, check out www.powerstocktrades.com. See if the course is something for you or not. But this is my review. This is their review. And hopefully it helps you out, help you get some insight into what's inside the course. When I was 18 years old, I had saved up $2,000 for my first car. And, instead of buying that car, I thought, I want to be rich. I wanted to invest. And so I took that $2,000 to a well-known bank, and I walked in. I said, "Hey, I want to invest. I want to be rich." And the young lady looked at me and says, "So that means you want aggressive funds, right?" And I said, "Sure, I guess." And so we opened up mutual fund account, and I came back 2 years later, about 20 years old at this point, and the account went from $2,000 to $700. I said, "Give me my money back. I can do this myself if you're going to lose me money." So I spent $200. I took 500 of that, and I did what most people do. I bought stock in the company that I worked for, which was Sprint PCS at the time. And the stock was at $5, and I made about $8 an hour. So I figured, young guy, work an 8-hour shift on a Saturday, that's $64, right? When you take taxes out, roughly $50. So I figured if I could make 50 cents on 100 shares, which would be $50, then I'd get my Saturdays back and I wouldn't have to work Saturdays anymore. So That's literally how I got started investing in the stock market. I started the website because most people would ask me, what stocks are you trading? What are you investing in? Because I did really well